So here we are with the first segment we're going to look at, which is how to use photobooth. It's actually quite simple, but before, as always with all of these videos, let me show you how I'm recording the screen just so we remember. We go to QuickTime Player and we click on it. It's up here, so we know we are in QuickTime Player. We click on File and we go down to New Screen Recording. It's simply not in bold right now because I'm actually using it. So I can't do it again at the same time while I'm using it. So that's just always how we go and we do it. Once we click on it, there's a little red button, just like when we had our Walkman days. We click the red button for record and we start recording. And now everything that I'm saying and do on the board will work and be recorded. Ideally you want to try and keep these short, but you can do an entire class if you wanted to. If you have a smart board and all the notes you write on the board, it'll record it, save them, export those as PDFs, and then post this. You probably want to compress it just a bit, but you can have a 40-minute recording if you need to, or a 50-minute recording, and post it, make a QR code for it, let the kids go bleep and have it on their phone, and they can watch it whenever they want. Technology's cool. Alrighty, so photobooth. If you don't have it out here in your dock, which I don't, then usually I just go to search and start typing some things. Photo, boom, there it is, photobooth. I'll click it, and here it is showing up in my dock. For my purposes in the language classroom, I use this, and like we said before, in my presentation, I use this a lot. I'll say, alright gang, you have 3 minutes and 16 seconds, go away, here's your prompt, blah 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 blah, and go and record yourself. The way it works is simple. They open up photobooth. Old school is just you take a picture, or you could do a series of pictures, Andy Warhol style, but now they also have, in the newer versions, you can record a movie clip. So you click on this one right here, you hit it, 3 seconds counts down, and then you talk. The reason you can't see me right now is because I am outside at the beach with no light whatsoever. But trust me, it works. You hit stop, it comes in, and if I play on it, if I click 3 seconds counts down, and then you talk. The reason you can't see me right now is because I am outside at the beach with no light whatsoever. But as you can see, it does actually work. The students will then take this, drag it onto their desktop just like that, and put it in a Dropbox, or attach it as an email to you, or whatever, however you decide you want to go and do that. So that's how you do photobooth. The benefits: video, you can see them talking. If you don't want them, if you send them away and you don't want them to read, you actually want them to speak, well then have them look at the camera and watch, and then they're not reading, or something along those lines. But it's an easy way to give kids the practice they need for speaking. And if they don't like it, they just record another one. Put this in the trash. Ew, it's disgusting, I don't like it. And I'm going to try it again. So that's how that works. End of video 1.